In this video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subdomain in Namecheap. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it.
Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Namecheap website where you can find affordable domain registrations and services. Once the website loads, take a moment to locate the sign in option. Clicking on sign in will allow you to enter your account credentials and access your personal Namecheap account. This step is essential because managing your domains and their settings requires a valid login. After you have successfully signed into your account, you will be directed to the Namecheap dashboard. The dashboard serves as your central hub for managing the domains you own and the various services provided by Namecheap. With the dashboard open, focus your attention on the section labeled Domain Lists. This section will display all the domains registered under your account, enabling you to quickly identify the one you wish to modify. Once you have identified your domain, click on it to select the specific domain for which you want to create a new subdomain. Selecting your domain will open up detailed management options for that particular domain. The next step in the process is to click on the Manage button. This action brings you to a more detailed view of your domain settings, where you can make adjustments such as configuring email forwarding, adjusting name servers, and more importantly, setting up subdomains. Within the management area, locate the Advanced DNS option. Clicking on Advanced DNS will reveal a comprehensive range of DNS configuration tools intended to help you tailor your domain settings to your specific needs. In this section, you are looking for the Host Records area. Host records are where the DNS entries for your domain are listed and where you will be able to add or modify records to point to specific addresses. With the host records visible, look for the option to add a new DNS record. Selecting the Add New Record option allows you to introduce a new entry into your domain's DNS configuration. In this step, you must choose the A record type from the list of available record types. An A record is used to map a subdomain or a domain name to an IP address, making it a crucial component when linking your subdomain to a specific server or hosting environment. After selecting the A record option, you will need to enter the appropriate details for the new record. This typically involves inputting the desired subdomain, for example a prefix such as blog or shop, along with the corresponding IP address where the subdomain should direct traffic. It is important to carefully check that the subdomain is spelled correctly and that the IP address is accurate, as these details ensure that visitors are directed to the correct destination on the internet. Once you have filled in all of the necessary information for the new A record, the final step is to save your changes. Click on the Save Changes button to confirm that your new settings are recorded and active. Saving your changes completes the process of creating a subdomain within Namecheap, and your new subdomain should now be ready to use. This streamlined process helps you efficiently manage your online presence through simple yet precise steps that ensure your domain settings are exactly how you need them. Enjoy the benefits of your newly created subdomain and the flexibility it provides in enhancing your website's functionality and reach.